Next example, let t be a linear operator on V. If t square is equal to 0, what is the relation between rank of t and nullity of t? Give an example of linear operator t of r square such that t square is equal to 0 but t is not equals to 0. So here they given that t is a linear operator on V, and if t square is equal to 0, we have to give the relationship between rank of t and nullity of t. Then we give an example of linear operator of or operator t of r square such that t square is equal to 0 but t is not equal to 0. Solution. Now t square is equal to 0, that is in our hypothesis. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ we have to give a relationship between rank of t and nullity of t. Okay, so which implies t square of v is equal to 0 for all v belongs to v. So this can be written as t of v is equal to 0 for all v belongs to v. So by the definition of kernel of t, so that is defined as kernel of t is equal to set of all v belongs to v such that t of v is equal to 0 which belongs to v for a linear transformation v to v. Okay, so kernel of t ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. Then by the definition of kernel of t, so this element t of v is belongs to kernel of t. Now we know that range of t, that is equal to set of all t of v such that v belongs to v. So range of t ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ವಿಚ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು r of t and t of v belongs to kernel of t, then we can write, so r of t is a subset of kernel of t. So here r of t means range of t. So therefore we get t of v belongs to kernel of t, which implies range of t is contained in kernel of t, which implies dimension of range of t is less than or equals to dimension of kernel of t. So we know that dimension of range of t means rank of t, and we know that dimension of kernel of t means nullity of t. So therefore we get rank of t is less than or equals to nullity of t. So if t square is equal to 0, then rank of t is less than or equals to nullity of t. So this is the relationship between rank and nullity. Now we have to give an example of linear operator t of r square such that t square is equal to 0 but t is not equal to 0. So define t from r square to r square such that t of x1 comma x2 is equal to x2 comma 0, then t is linear. Then x comma y belongs to r square where x is equal to, so x ಮತ್ತು y r ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ x is equal to x1 comma x2 and y is equals to y1 comma y2. So now consider t of alpha x plus beta y which is equals to t of alpha. So x means x1 comma x2, substitute here, plus beta y, so y means y1 comma y2, so substitute here. Now we next t of alpha x1 plus beta y1 comma alpha x2 plus beta y2. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ x1 comma x2 is equal to x2 comma 0. So here in the place of x2 we have alpha x2 plus beta y2. So therefore this can be written as alpha x2 plus beta y2 comma 0. So by this one. Okay, so now this can be written as alpha of x2 comma 0 plus beta of y2 comma 0. Now alpha into t of, so x2 comma 0 can be written as t of x1 comma x2 plus beta into y2 comma 0 can be written as t of y1 comma y2. So this is also by using this condition. Now x1 comma x2 means x and y1 comma y2 means y. So substitute the value x and y here. We get alpha of t of x plus beta of t of y. So therefore t of alpha x plus beta y is equal to alpha of t of x plus beta into t of y. So therefore t is linear. Now let us consider t of x 2 comma 2, so which is equal to, here consider t of 2 comma 2. So here we defined t of x1 comma x2 is equal to x2 comma 0, right? So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ t of x1 comma x2, so it can be written as 2 comma 0, that is x2 comma 0. It is not equal to 0. Now consider t square of 2 comma 2, so which is written as t of 2 comma 2. Okay, so t of 2 comma 2, the value is 2 comma 0, that is 2 comma 0. Again by using this one, that is t of x1 comma x2 is equal to x2 comma 0. Here the value of x2 is 0, so therefore it can be written as 0 comma 0, so which is equal to 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ? ಸೊ t of 2 comma 2 is not equals to 0, but t square of 2 comma 2 is equal to 0. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಬಟ್ ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಥಸ್ from this one we can say that t is not equal to 0, but t square is equal to 0. Hence the